Things are going fine as Samsung eventually changes the internals design for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to recent rumors, Samsung is altering the design of the S22, S23, and S24 Ultra. For the previous 3 years, Samsung has focused mostly on software development and has not made significant modifications to the hardware. I think Samsung designed the Galaxy S25 Ultra with the annoyance of having a large middle frame in mind. The width of the device is essentially the same as the S24, so the visual bezel will be thinner than the S24 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the middle frame of the S25 Ultra is asymmetrical in front and back. The part near the back cover is more rounded while the part near the screen is straighter. Great news! An internal source claims that the S25 Ultra will have incredibly thin bezels. This suggests that Samsung will adopt new display technology, possibly the M14, which will increase the screen's brightness to 3000 nits. In addition to the display, the S22, S23, and S24 Ultra's internals will also be updated. According to Ice Universe, and even before Samsung is bringing back the 16GB RAM option on the S25 Ultra, Samsung's cost grading method plays a big factor in not raising the RAM option on all of these smartphones. The reason I said bringing back was because the S21 Ultra already has a 16GB RAM option, but keep in mind that this 16GB RAM option will depend on the storage options you choose from the 3 available, including 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung has different plans than initially anticipated. Initially, it was thought that Samsung would use stack battery technology, which would increase battery size by roughly 10% and enable Samsung to increase battery size on the next Galaxy phone to 5500. However, Ice Universe has confirmed that Samsung will use the same 5000 mAh battery as the previous 2 years and that the new performance numbers on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. I am already concerned about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life. In order to keep things up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, firms are already working on larger batteries. The least size they take into consideration is 5500. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.